Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Netspend HEB account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the process for it. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there search for Netspend HEB login, and from the search result make sure to choose this Netspend HEB account. And once you tap on it, you will be able to see this login interface on your screen. Now you need to type in your username and password in order to get logged into your Netspend HEB account. Now type in your username and password correctly. And if in case you have forgotten either your username or your password, you can recover it by tapping on forget your username or password link. Now if you want your system to remember your username so that the system will automatically type in your username in your future visit, you can tick this remember username box. But if you're using others or public device, then make sure to uncheck this box or leave this box as it is. Now once you're done with typing in your account details, tap on login button. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Netspend HEB account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.